In this tutorial, we will show you how to merge two objects together into one mesh in Blender 3D. First, let's start clean with a default cube model, then create a second model to put on top of it. Select one of the objects, then press the wrench icon to create a modifier. Click on Add Modifier, then under Generate, select Boolean. Select Union, then under Object, select the model you want to merge with from the list. Press the arrow from the top right, then select Apply. Now you can move and scale them as one object in Blender 3D. Just make sure to delete the leftover object. All done. Please subscribe.